I got a mod for you today that most of y'all are gonna like. Get rid of this nasty stretched out stuff and put these in. Let's get it started. As far as how they came boxed two per box. So the front ones came in one and the rear came in the other. It's covered in plastic. You know, they weren't packaged super duper well or anything, but they're done and they came and none of them are broken. One of the worst parts about these JKs are these little suckers. So I'm gonna go ahead and be really careful. Get rid of mine. Didn't take much, huh? What I'm trying to do is I'm trying to get into the groove back here to cut them off. That way I don't scar up anything on the outside here. They have little ledges that go into the seam here. That truly is one of the fastest mods I've ever done. Looks like this would fit a coffee mug or something, or a map, or your cell phone. You put it in here. I'll do a review on them in a few months, see how well I like them. But they're for all four doors. If you look, the pattern is the same. So that's pretty nice. Now my doors are really dirty, sorry, but as far as this goes, they look pretty nice. The ease of putting them on is probably a 0 out of 5. If it takes you longer than 5 minutes to put these on, and that's unboxing them and everything, then I don't know, something's going on. I'll show you the back ones. Now, I have a little bit of concern, especially in the back, of getting up in the Jeep with these things on there and how much room they're going to have, how much it's going to take away. So I'm going to go ahead and shut it here. And since I don't have my seat in here, I'm not sure how much it's going to take away from your seating, your foot space. Now that you get these nasty things out of here, hopefully these cup holder slash phone holder, whatever you want to call them, will treat you a lot better. They look pretty nice, pretty well made. They did come in from a slow boat from China, so they did take a while to get there. Here's the driver's side installed with the door shut. Now, of course, my Jeep's not all together. Heck, I don't even have a steering column in it. But there it is. Now, these are on the 2012 to 2017 Jeep JKUs. I'm going to leave a link to these door net replacements down in the description. I haven't done very many mods because my Jeep's not all together, but this is one of those things that was a sore sight. I want to thank everybody for watching, liking, subscribing, comment down below. See what you think of these things. Do you have them? How do you like them? How have they worked for you? Do you have to glue them in? I mean, they sit in there really tight, but I'm kind of worried that I may bump them out when I get into the Jeep. But anyway, thanks for watching. And as always, if you ride her hard, don't put her away wet. Again, I want to thank Mission 22, United Against the War Against Veteran Suicide.